I left my bike just behind the hill down there in the valley, and see what the vast valley we have here. I didn't expect it. It's a kind of quite big terrain. Will take ages for the lava to fill it, and that is the lava over there. So it's like 2 kilometers to walk still for me. So it's like vast, really vast territories here around. It takes some months for lava to fill them if it spills over. Well, it started kind of spilling in this valley, but it's like utterly uninhabited, like totally empty, total desert, you know. And it's so theoretically you could bike here, but you know there is this hill uphill which kind of I thought it's easier to walk and go up that hill with a bike, so I'll just walk this section. And also here it's not really a road, you know, it's just rocks, so it's a kind of the last section here from the north to approach the volcano. You see there is no proper road here or biking trail. Like they do drive cars here, but it's kind of rough. Well, in some parts it's okay, but otherwise it's rough. So this is kind of a ridge here, a big ridge, you see. Yeah, and big valley, huge valley, enormous valley. So there are some people saying that lava is going somewhere. It won't go anywhere. It's just, you know, takes ages to fill all this. Kind of nice for the people because it doesn't threaten anybody. Can last here for months safely. That is Litli-Hrútur Mt, that mountain. That's where all the people walk. See the crowd there on the mountain. See how many people are there, like ants on that hill. We reach the valley here behind Meradalur to the north. This is the eruption mountain, Meradalur, or the peak of Meradalur. So at some point we will climb it. There are some glacial erratic stones here as well, like in Nathai over there. You see, perhaps they will get flooded as well. And we are walking to the eruption side, which is like 1 kilometer left. I miscalculated the distance. I thought the volcano is just behind this mountain, but here is a huge valley. For the first time here, you know, I'm kind of not familiar with the terrain to the north here, but now no. This looks very similar to Litli-Hrútur, this mountain, Meradalur. See, it's a wasteland here. There is nothing. There's a moon terrain. Some wind, sorry. And see, this looks like not high before it was flooded. Lava started coming here. There you see all the people, all the crowds there, you see. And lava started coming here to the north through this passage, and then we'll start climbing up here into this new bathtub. It's kind of uphill here, so it's it won't be so easy to flood this because it's going uphill here. It'll take a long time to climb, for the lava to climb up here, you see, before it starts filling this well. So that's pretty. You see, we are walking down now, like 100 meters down to to the lava edge. So this is a road that comes from the north, and where all the cars dive, and where I wanted to bike all the way, but I left my bike like 2 kilometers away, somewhere behind that mountain, quite far actually. I just miscalculated the distance of the last section. Didn't know, just have never been here now, first time. But it's okay. We will do extra, took 4 kilometers hike and the rest with the bike. So that's fine. As long as we don't have rain, it's okay. So now you'll be familiar with the terrain behind the eruption mountain. This is the Meradal's peak, or the peak of Meradalur. That's, we have eruption on the slope, and that's how the terrain looks here on the back. You know, yeah, there are lots of glacial erratics here, like on the moon, tons of them. Some are pretty nice ones, like this one. See, round shape, very fine. Like they've been carried away by melting ice from the glacier. So now we are reaching the lava, and we will get on the hill where the TV crew is. Well, all the people are on the other side. It's an incredible amount of people. Look there. It's just insane how many people are there. Look. There's tons of people. Look here. Wow, look how many people. It's insane. Wow. Anyway, we keep hiking.